bathtub drain stopper not working. No matter how much you jiggle the handle, let's fix it. Start by removing the trip lever plate and pulling out the stopper assembly. The easiest thing to check is making sure none of this linkage is bound up. Now is also a good time to clean up any line buildup. Since water is leaking past the stopper, we need to lengthen this rod. I'm going to lengthen mine about 1/4 inch and then retighten the lock nut. With the stopper assembly back in, we can test it. We are holding water. If water still drains out, just repeat the process we just went through until you get the leaking to stop.